Well, first day out at sea. They said it should be windy, but the sea should be calm. Maybe 20 centimeters waves, up to 20 centimeters. Now that's 20 centimeters. God damn it. To be honest, it is pretty calm now. Just wait. Here they come. Yeah. 20 centimeters, my ass.
Well, this is the first time in 3 hours we got off the sea into the firm ground. Yeah, I can jump around. We really have to take a breather because we've been in water for 25 kilometers now. Also, first time in 3 hours we've been in shade.
The end of day one. We are at Island Prvić, or first something translated to English, but we don't translate the name. Prvić.
this is our little camping site. We are cooking ourselves some dinner. Parked the canoe up high, 2 meters from the water, so shouldn't be a problem with that. And hopefully soon we'll go to sleep. Now the island is around 19 kilometers round. We know because we made a round trip today. And it's uninhabited, so we are probably the only 2 persons on the island tonight.